There is something so alluring about a supercar. The fact that it feels like it's never in reach, yet somehow evokes a strong nostalgia. As if you were a child again, looking at a supercar for the first time. Supercars are like superwatches. Along with the tourbillon, the unrivaled design and unique watch shape defines a superwatch and dictates the price attached to it. But why should that define the heavily inflated price of a superwatch? It is not easy to create a watch with a unique shape. After all, the research, development and custom tooling to manufacture these superwatches, they can cost hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars. There are countries that have become far more proficient in manufacturing than the Swiss, due to progressions in innovation and an ever-increasing demand. It is no secret that the world's greatest technologies, computer chips, smartphones, digital processors are being manufactured in Asian countries. This type of manufacturing and engineering requires extreme precision, some would say more so than a timepiece. But why should such a small complication and unique design define the heavily inflated price of a superwatch? Traditionally, all superwatches and their movements are made in Switzerland. For years, this has not changed. People are still paying hundreds of thousands of dollars for a single timepiece. They can set the price tag because they are the only ones doing it. They are the monopoly. Following this tradition will lead us nowhere. The superwatch will forever feel beyond reach. Unless someone breaks tradition. Introducing Aventi. It's a statement piece, bold in design. Aventi is a supercar on your wrist.
I came from the mud.
In Italian, Aventi means having.
Strong like a tree.
We believe that everyone deserves the chance to own something that exemplifies status, luxury, and taste. The chance to obtain something that for generations has been practically unobtainable. Aventi is our answer. We don't own our factories. We work with elite factories and partners from all around the world, from ISO 9000 companies to master watchmakers with over 30 years of individual experience. We don't limit ourselves to only watchmaking machinery. We have worked with engineers experienced with automotive industry standards, and we don't pay premiums for materials that are imported by another monopoly. We go directly to the manufacturers, wherever they are in the world, and buy at market price. As a result, we have created a supercar-inspired watch in a non-traditional way that is 150 times more affordable than the average superwatch, without compromising on quality. We have broken tradition. We have created a superwatch that is achievable. The face of our watch should remind you of looking at a supercar engine. Just as supercars reveal their engine, we didn't want to hide a tourbillon. Behind the sapphire crystal is an entirely skeletonized dial to ensure full visibility of our double-barreled tourbillon engine. Our engine is a modified caliber 3450 skeletonized coaxial tourbillon, made in partnership with Hong Kong-based PTS Resources and Hangzhou Watch Company, an ISO 9000 company. This is the highest grade, most achievable skeletonized tourbillon movement available on the market. Titanium is used in elite automotive applications for its immense strength, corrosion resistance, and lightweight. We recognized this and applied this material advantage to our watchmaking. We use only the purest form of titanium, grade 2, the same grade used to make engine components for supercars. The shape of the case is angular and rigid. It is very modern and unique. There is no other watch like it. It also has elements of aerodynamic design built into it. We wanted something that would emulate the feeling of an actual supercar. The look, the thrill, the envy. Every supercar holds a certain road presence. There is no doubt that they are designed to be noticed and admired. This is why we were not afraid to make the A-10 eye-catching, with its bold size and distinct colors. These colors are never before seen in the watchmaking industry. We've customized Cerakote, a strong ceramic coating, to be able to create unique colors inspired by the world's most prestigious supercars. Cerakote will protect your watch entirely from abrasion and corrosion while increasing impact strength and hardness. Made in the USA and precisely coated onto the cases in Japan. Apart from the alluring design of a supercar, the next thing that catches your eye is the brightest possible illumination. The illumination is designed to resemble a supercar at night. The case, crown, and parts of the dial are coated in many layers of the highest grade illumination in the watchmaking industry. Swiss-made Super Luminova BGW9 Grade X1. We have chosen the brightest possible illumination, as we wanted it to be as spectacular at night as it is during the day. In addition to our titanium case, we've also created the pure sapphire crystal edition of the A-10. Featuring a case composed entirely of pure sapphire crystal. A watch of this magnitude as never before seen in the affordable luxury watch world. Diamond-tipped tools meticulously cut the unconventional case shape from a solid block of sapphire crystal. Then, it's polished for over 100 hours to get it perfect. It is then coated on the inside and outside with over 5 layers of anti-reflective coating. Our sapphire crystal has a purity of 99.9996% and up to 2000 kilograms per millimeter squared of hardness, and a density of 3.98 kilogram per cubic meter. In other words, it's incredibly pure and unbelievably strong. The Aventi A-10 is designed to take you back to that very first moment you encountered a supercar, something that is unforgettable. Join us on this journey of breaking tradition. There is no other watch in the world like the Aventi A-10, not to this level of quality and as achievable. Take this opportunity to secure yours now in this Indiegogo at a price that will never be repeated again. Your support means we can continue to create, innovate, and bring the impossible even closer. Thank you. Grazie.
Hey, thanks for watching. I just want to thank you and thank you on behalf of the team. We are super excited to do this project, and thank you for being involved with this crowdfunding campaign. This crowdfunding campaign is new to us. We've never done anything like this before, but watchmaking isn't. We've been lucky enough to be in the industry for over 5 years now and deliver all around the world with some moderate success in the niche that we've been in. So we've been through the whole process of manufacturing, dealing with suppliers, dealing with partners, dealing with shipping issues, and all of these things that any new business would have to face. We've got a lot of experience, so we feel really confident in delivering this amazing creation. So thank you very much for being part of this as we break tradition, and we look forward to giving you your Superwatch. Thank you.